If I had a boat, I would sail out, take every brother and sister of mine. We'd roll in the sunshine and sleep when it's dark, hoping to find somewhere we can call home. But it's black, yeah, it's black. Oh, the water's black, 'cause it's black, it's all black, black water.
Hello, welcome everyone. I'm here. Oh, your eye looks really nice.
Really?
Over the light. Okay, we're up in this mountain area called the Sandia Mountains, and we're going on a hike.
I think it's enough. Oh my. Look at that view.
That's pretty sweet, huh?
This is ballin'.
Ballin'.
I did it.
Easy dough. Oh gosh.
Don't fall, it's not fall.
We're headed to the Kiwanis cabin at the peak. It's made out of brick and it has a sick view, so we're gonna watch that sunset and make some food, some breakfast.
Yes.
It'll be awesome.
It's lost. There goes
Oh,
you goon.
help me out! Okay,
That's almost slippery.
onward.
I feel like there's potholes everywhere.
Here it is, the Kiwanis.
Here's the red too.
Alright, slight change of plans. We're not going to the cabin because there's a bunch of lovers there.
2 lovers and a 3.
In the cabin.
Yeah.
So we're gonna find a more secluded area and make some food. Think light, think light. I unfortunately can't. I'll just sink.
No. My nose is just right there. There's footprints.
Oh, I've fallen and I can't get up.
Think light.
Just go fast. Are you not sinking? Oh, there it is. All right, we'll update you when we find a spot. We gotta trek through knee-high snow. Okay, we found our spot. Oh gosh, I just sunk in. Nice view of the city. Unfortunately, the Kiwanis are up there. Oh, unfocus. For those darn lovers, we'll be making
Sausage McGriddle with some
ballin'.
sausage.
And?
Griddle.
Nope. Pancakes.
Oh, those things.
Yeah.
I just saw it come through there.
Got the milk. It's kind of warm actually. Sausage boys. Got a pan. Got propane. Pancake mix, boys. Alright.
Oh yeah. This I can open.
Ballin'. Pour some in there. Stir it up.
Whoa, this is a nice water bottle.
Thanks.
Made it yourself?
Yeah.
Ow, that burned.
Yeah, there's fire.
I love fire.
No.
This will warm it up. They will make our pancakes warm.
Wow, why does that smell like death?
I'm thinking the same thing. In here? And look here.
Oh, that's so burnt. Oh, grab one of the plates out of there too. It's just the first one. Ugh, this isn't really a spatchy. What do you mean, That's bonito.
That's yo.
No. Drop it off. Oh. Yeah.
It's syrup, by the way.
Yeah.
All done.
Now smash it down a little bit more so it cooks better.
Stop.
Wallet. Oh yeah, check that bad boy out.
Oh, wait, the stove's open.
Not anymore.
Gotta slowly.
Oh, move.
I'm so sorry.
Alright, so we finished one of them. I'm gonna give a little taste test.
Okay, it's looking like. It looks raw. Better than McDonald's.
Better. Ballin'.
Everyone throw it off the mountain.
With this view, let's freaking go.
The rawness makes it good.
The rawness of the meat?
Yes.
It's cooked. What do you mean?
The middle of the meat.
The middle of the meat's cooked. There's no pink.
There was one pink and I ate it. And
No, I'm literally a chef. It was a pretty baller view out here. Heck yeah. It's starting to get spooky dark. It's kind of cool. Just follow the path. We're good. I've walked this path 1,000 times. Oh, wrong path. I'm just kidding. Got him. Oh yeah. Here you go, my guy.
Thank you.
Yep. Is it warm enough?
Love you.
Alright. Alright, we're heading down the mountain. Good hike, good food.
I'm all fixed up.
He's warm now. We're solid. We'll see you next time.
No more frostbite.